Meaning of hoarder.
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 Hoarder. A hoarder is someone who excessively accumulates and stores items, often to the point that it negatively impacts their living space and quality of life. Hoarding disorder is a mental health condition, and those who suffer from it often have difficulty parting with possessions due to emotional attachments or perceived usefulness. The accumulation of items can become dangerous, as it can lead to fire hazards, health hazards from unsanitary conditions, and physical harm from falling objects. Treatment for hoarding disorder typically involves therapy and medication, and it is important for individuals to seek help if they suspect they may be suffering from this disorder.